Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make rice beer yeast. First, gather your ingredients: glutinous rice flour, clean water, and a small amount of existing rice yeast starter. Sterilize all your equipment thoroughly to prevent any unwanted bacteria from affecting your batch. Using high-quality ingredients is key to ensuring a potent and effective yeast for your brewing. Next, you'll prepare the rice base. Cook your glutinous rice until it's very soft and sticky, almost like a paste. After cooking, spread the rice out on a clean surface to cool down completely. It's important that the rice reaches room temperature before the next step. Once cooled, grind the rice into a fine, consistent powder. Now it's time to combine your ingredients. Mix the finely ground rice powder with your starter culture. Gradually add a small amount of clean water, just enough to form a firm, workable dough. Once you have a good consistency, shape the mixture into small, flat cakes or balls. These will be your individual yeast starters. Finally, we move to fermentation and drying. Place your shaped yeast cakes in a warm, humid environment, away from direct sunlight. Let them ferment for several days until they become firm and develop a distinct, pleasant aroma. Once fermented, dry the cakes completely in a well-ventilated area. Proper drying ensures long-term storage and potency.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.